you're wondering how to reserve WhatsApp username from MacBook or PC, then I regret to inform you that you cannot use WhatsApp username or register for it using your MacBook, PC or any laptop because the feature has still not been added to the PC version of it. You must have your Android phone or iPhone. Then you can open WhatsApp. Then in the top right corner you will see these three dotted lines. Then go to settings. Here you will see accounts. Click on it. Here under your account you will find username. Click on it, then you can set the username here. So the conclusion is you cannot reserve WhatsApp username from MacBook or PC. WhatsApp may add the feature later in the future, but for now you cannot do it. If you think this video was helpful, do tell us in the comment below. Thank you for watching.